This locomotive was built by the English Electric Company in 1966 at their Vulcan Works at Newton-le-Willows. This is the same works where many mainline diesel locomotives for British Railways were built, including the Class 40 and the 55 Deltics. The manufacturer referred to this type as the Stephenson range of locomotive. This locomotive was delivered new to the National Coal Board's Lea Hall Colliery near Rugeley in Staffordshire. The D1120 number it carries comes from its works number D1120, 1966. It is fitted with a Dorman Type 6 QT engine producing 380 horsepower, which drives a twin-disc CF1150 torque converter and a RF11 final drive unit. D1120 weighs 45 tonnes and has a top speed of 17 miles per hour. It carries 285 gallons of diesel fuel, and it worked at Lea Hall Colliery until the pit closed in 1991 and was used to shunt coal wagons in the interchange sidings next to the BR line. Sometime later, it was purchased for preservation by the Somerset and Dorset Locomotive Company, based in the old goods yard adjacent to Yeovil Junction Station on the West of England line from Waterloo. In 2003, a group of S&D Railway Heritage Trust members clubbed together sufficient funds and purchased the locomotive. It was transferred to Midsummer Norton on the 19th of September of that year. Whilst in use at the colliery, it was painted in a light blue, but in preservation, it received a light Prussian blue livery with an S&D crest cab side, along with the number 10. In this guise, it became the first standard gauge locomotive to operate on the Somerset and Dorset at Midsummer Norton since the final demolition train hauled on the 15th of July 1968. Then at the August 2004 open weekend, it was named in honour of the late David J. Cook by his widow Anne. David was one of the earliest volunteers who helped establish the restoration of Midsummer Norton Station in the mid-1990s. Some 4 years later, with the paintwork looking a little shabby, it was decided to repaint the locomotive in a two-tone green livery similar to that applied to the BR Class 14 D95 series diesel hydraulics built at Swindon Works in the mid-1960s.